Welcome, in front of me is Google Pixel 10, and in this video I will show you what to do if you cannot access your device using your PIN code. The first thing I want to tell you is a quick notice that you're trying to enter the security PIN code and not the SIM card PIN code to your phone. These two are often mistaken for each other, therefore I want to mention it. So make sure that you're trying to enter your security PIN code, enter it a couple more times, give it a couple more attempts, and if you are sure that you don't remember it, then the best decision would be to contact Google customer support service and tell them about your issue. And if you can prove the ownership of your smartphone to them, for example by showing the receipt to them, they will be able to help you regain access to your smartphone without removing any data from it. Alternatively, you can perform a factory reset operation, which will erase all data from your phone, but will surely let you regain access to it, and you can perform it by yourself. Now, there are two ways you can perform it. You can either enter a Find Hub service using any web browser on any other device that you have, search for Find Hub service, then sign into this service using your Google account, this link to this smartphone, then select this device on the list, go to the settings and select Perform Factory Reset on this device. Once the factory reset is performed, you'll be able to set this smartphone as a new device. The other way to perform a factory reset operation is by using a recovery mode. And if you don't know how to manage the recovery mode on this smartphone, we have an entire video on our channel that explains this process step by step. So if you're interested, go ahead and check out how to perform factory reset operation through recovery mode on Google Pixel 10 on our channel. And basically that's all the options that you have. But if you do remember the PIN code that you used the last time you successfully entered your device, but it doesn't work for you on this screen, then maybe there is a third-party application that affects the way that your lock screen behaves, or maybe your device is simply lagging. To solve this problem, you can enter the safe mode, and to do that, just press power button and volume up key at the same time, then hold down the power off option and select OK to reboot your device to safe mode. Once you are in a safe mode, you will see the safe mode indicator in the bottom left corner of the screen. Try to enter your PIN code and try to enter your device. And in case you succeed, go to the list of all applications, find Settings, open Settings, then scroll down to Security and Privacy settings right here, go to Device Unlock section, then go to Screen Lock, enter your PIN code once again, press enter, and then select None. Click Delete, and then to regain access to your phone completely, just restart your device by pressing power button and the volume up key at the same time, select Restart and wait until your device is rebooted into the normal mode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.